Hello there.
I bet you're wondering what's in the bed of the truck. Well, you might as well come along for the ride and find out. Those boxes in the bed of the truck are new wheels for the Silverado. We are actually on our way to the dealership this morning to drop the truck off to get them mounted and installed. I am super excited to find out how this brings the whole look of the truck together. This is really one of the last steps in the overall just kind of aesthetic that I'm going for the truck. Obviously there's more stuff that I kind of want to do, and I've got more things on the list for the Silverado in the future, but this is one that I've been waiting to do for a while now, and I finally got around to it. So let's get the truck dropped off at the dealership, let them do their work, and then see the result. And there you have it, the new wheels on the Chevy Silverado. As you can see, I went with the Fuel Rebel 6 in their matte black colorway. I looked at a lot of different brands and styles of wheels, and these are the ones that really caught my attention, that I really liked. And I'm glad I picked these. I think they look really good on the Silverado. They just have this clean look to them, but also gives this slightly aggressive look to the Silverado, especially with that matte black color. These are the factory size wheel at a 20x9, just like the wheels that came on my truck when I bought it, but they are not the factory offset. These are the plus 1mm variant of these wheels, which ends up giving them a little bit of poke outside the factory fenders on the truck. That poke may not be sticking around, as I do have a new set of fender flares for the Silverado. That's right, my third set of fender flares for this truck. They just need to be painted, and then I plan on putting them on the truck. I might let y'all decide if they go on the truck. Keyword is might. I may put them on no matter what, because I like fender flares and I think they look cool. But why don't you go down to my YouTube community page and vote on whether I should leave the truck with the factory fenders, no flare at all, or if I should put the new fender flares on the truck. I will take all votes into consideration, but at the end of the day, it is my truck, and I'm building this truck for me. I want to show y'all what I do, and that way if you like what I do, you have some videos to reference if you want to do it yourself for your truck. But not everyone's going to like what I do to my truck. Some will, some won't. Some people may like some things but not others. But that's what's awesome about doing stuff like this. I get to show you what I do, and then you can decide whether you like it for your vehicle or not. And each person gets to build their vehicle the way they want to build it. If you want to see what the truck looked like with the previous fender flares before voting, you can check out this video right here. You can also leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of these Fuel Rebel 6s in matte black for this Silverado. For now, thanks for watching. This is Southpaw Garage signing out.